Best $1,400 gaming PC build. Want to build an epic gaming PC for under $1,400? Let's go. First, the heart of the build. The AMD Ryzen 7 7770X, 8 cores, 16 threads, and a 4.5 GHz boost clock for insane performance. Keep that CPU cool with the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3240. Liquid cooling with style and efficiency. We've got the MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk. Solid performance with built-in Wi-Fi and support for the latest tech. 32GB of DDR5 6000 RAM from Crucial for blazing fast multitasking and gaming. For storage, we've got the superfast Crucial P3 Plus 1TB SSD. PCI 4.0 speeds to load your games in a flash. Graphics, we've got the XFX Speedster Kick 319 7800 XT with 16GB of RAM. All of this fits inside the sleek and spacious Phanteks X2 Pro case. Great airflow and room for upgrades. Finally, the MSI Mag 650W fully modular PSU to power it all. 80 Gold certified for efficiency. And all of this for under $1,400. Perfect for 144 OP gaming. Ready to game. Subscribe for more PC build ideas and tips.